And I'm live. Yes, so hi everyone. It was always half a year, 5 months to be precise, since the last time I was streaming, and I was really busy at work and with some other projects. So I finally decided to stream some programming, deep learning stuff. So a lot of people sent me this tweet in the last week about ResNext model predicting this huge ass cheeseburger as pineapple, and I've sent, I've I've gotten probably 10 or maybe even more DMs with this particular tweet. So at some point I realized that I want to, well, do the same kind of posts first, and the second, that I want to create an application to do that automatically. Yeah, and I will probably push it on the GitHub afterwards, so everyone will be able to use it as well. And so let's start. I've created a blank Python project and set up an empty conda environment. So first of all, I need probably do conda install TensorFlow GPU equals 2.5. I hope that that the fact I will be downloading a bunch of shit won't affect the string quality. So I'm going to download. Oh, so everything is my local cache, right? So I just need to download like 100 megabytes. Yep. Right. So let's start from import TensorFlow STF, and from TensorFlow import Keras probably, and let's do some indexing, PyCharm, so completion will work, and let's say we'll have main method and just parse it, and if name is main, then I'm gonna run main, of course, and yep. Yeah, so first of all, let's open TensorFlow in the interactive shell, and let's see what, probably instead of that I could just open the documentation. So let's open TensorFlow, and let's see what models do they have in 2.5. Oops, not that TensorFlow, but this one. By the way, if anyone is actually watching that, I see that I have 2 viewers. Amazing. That's probably not the best time for streaming, but that's the only time slot I had available. So sorry. Well, all in all, I'm doing this for fun, not for viewers, but having viewers would also be nice. So let's see, let's check up Keras and applications, and we have 3 yeah, we basically have plenty of models, I guess. Alright. So Brain Cell Gaming is asking, how's it going, my nigga? Yeah, so yeah, if anyone is watching, please let me know how's the sound, because I had to reinstall my Windows, and I have lost all my settings for the microphone, like extra gain, noise cancellation, and shit. So basically, I'm running on default settings in OBS right now, and I have no idea whether it's good or not. I've tried to record like a 10-second sample, literally half a minute before streaming, and there was barely audible static noise, but I guess it's alright. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, so first of all, let's open some random model. Do we have res next here? No, so let's start from the smallest one, since it will be the fastest one to iterate, and then we will just create a method to randomly pick a model, I guess. Alright, so what we have here is ResNet and there's pre-process input, and let's check the documentation. Yeah, so I guess I could just pass the images this to this method without thinking about resizing and normalization and shit, and just throw it in there. So let's probably add the pineapple image to my project, and let me just move the file from my download folder to like here. Yep, and rename it to test JPEG, right? And probably let's actually start testing this shit in the console, and then like cherry picking the code to the main script. Alright, sound is good, yeah, thanks. Right, so so I have imported TensorFlow, and now I also need to install Pillow for working with images. And let's from peel import image, right? And then let's copy this line and also throw it in here. So image is equals to image open test JPEG. So image show. Yeah, I have two screens here. So here's this image. Let's just adjust the borders. Yeah, so here's the image, right? And now let's image array equals to, let's copy this sheet and call it on, could I just call on image, or I should convert it to NumPy array first? Yeah, so I also need to input NumPy as NP and then call the same stuff, but before that I should convert it to the array. Yep. Yeah, so now it's working, and yes, so I still need to resize it myself, I guess. And right, so the default size for the model is, and I can't check what's the default input shape. Alright. So I need to resize it myself. Resize 2 to 4 by 2 to 4. Yep, and now I could actually call the model, right? So I could reuse all the default settings. So yep, yes, let's just call the model. Again, I should download it from the server, and I hope it won't affect streaming quality. And I have the model, and now let's just check predictions. So I could call model dot predict and pass image array, or I should, yeah, I should wrap. Could I just do this? Nope. Is there a special? I don't remember whether there's a method to add empty axis. There's probably one. But whatever, let's just do in p new axis ellipsis and this. Nope. Also, I probably should drop I forgot how NPU shape works, I'm afraid. Oh, expand dims. Yeah, that's the shit I need. NP expand dims and image array 0, and yeah, now it's working. Also, I'm here. You sound exactly how I expected. Yeah. Well, I will take it as a compliment then. Right. So now I have some predictions. Yep. And Preds our max is 1998, and the max actually is 66%. Yeah, right. Now I need ImageNet classes list. So 1998 is what? Ear spike capitulum. That's weird. Well, So I have imagined 1000 classes, yeah, and let's recheck if this class list is correct. Yeah. So let's take a look at the image once again. The class for pineapple is 90 and 153. Let's check what's the probability for the pineapple. Oops. 9%, still pretty high. All right. Well, maybe we are using the most stupid model, so let's download the image of cat, for example, and do double check whether the model is working like as expected. Let's rename it to cat. I'm going to add cat from the downloads to our project folder. Yep. And let's now paste this old code and then do cat jpeg preds and then preds argmax and preds max. Alright, so there's 66%, 66.66 GM versus Shroik. So Shroik is busy with shitcoin trading right now. He just bought some Shiba Inu fork and now making tenfold profits. Alright, so let's check 282 is Tiger Cat. Alright, so and this cat, yeah, it's somewhat tiger. Alright, so the model is adequate actually. It's just ResNet being an old stuff from 2015. Yeah. Alright, so it works as intended. It's just model being not very smart, I guess. So what we could do now is also install streamlit, probably. Oops, of course, conda install stream. Conda install streamlit. I don't know whether. Let's check. Right, so let's add conda for channel. Oops. Racist lured into gold. Uh-oh. I hope it will work, but if not, alright, we could start like let's open streamlit documentation and check components for let's check. Oh, they have updated their site. I need input media. Yeah, so I need file uploader, I guess. How many years did it take to create this technology? Well, depending what you mean by... Oh shit. It's going to install a lot of stuff, and let's see. Streamlit, install, update, superseded, alright, let's do this. Oh, this technology is pretty old. I'm just recreating this meme, basically, and let's set up a method for opening the, let's see, so upload the file, returns what? File uploader, and what's the version of Streamlit I'm installing right now, by the way? OP Streamlit 081.1. Oh, it's an old one. I should have probably used not conda about peep. Well, whatever. I hope there won't be any issues with that. Alright, so it returns what? It returns... Oh, and also other shit that I should take care of is the fact that I could have multiple... Alright, yeah, whatever. So let's just import streamlit SST. Yep. And let's check get started. Create an app. Pum. Yeah, I guess I will copy this. Just delete all of these and right, kind of random image classifier, right? And let's just run streamlit. Run main py. And alright, so basically it works. I think I don't need anything from here, and let's set up file uploader first. So we have file uploader and if uploaded file isn't none, so I'm gonna do what? Let's check what's the format for the images. So it returns just a file handler, and that means that I could probably just do image equals image open UF. Will it work or not? I have no idea. Alright, let's try it. I have the file uploader, and it probably works, right? And let's just print OK. And instead of, so I need Python streamlit main py, right? Let's stop that, and will it work? Yeah, working directory should be here once again. Yeah, now it's working, I guess. Yes, okay, alright. So Pillow Pillow is able to open the what you must do every time you generate an image. No, what I'm going to do is to recreate this particular meme. You just have some funky image, and then you just use random image classifier, like neural network based image classifier to detect what's in this image. So I'm gonna just create an app to automatize this stuff, so I will be able to like post new image classifier memes like without any effort. Alright, so this shit is working, so what I should do next is to What I should do next is to reuse this code, so I could stop the console in here and just put numpy as np, and I probably don't need chars actually. Well, maybe is it self-directed or human-assisted? What do I mean by like self-directed or human-assisted? I will just drop the file in here and it will show me the file and the prediction for it. That's all. So it's human-assisted in the sense that I still need to upload the files. Alright, so I also need to load some model, and I need a method for it. So load random model, and it will return probably not just model but also the resolution for it, because as far as I remember NestNet is using higher resolution than 224 by 224. Alright, so let's just create a list of all the models we have here, and it will be probably a list of tuples, and it will contain a method for instantiating the model and the resolution. Right, so the first one is, and its readable name, I guess, as well. The DenseNet. Right, so probably a better list of this. DenseNet, and the string for it is DenseNet, and one side of image is 200. And I believe it's the same for the bigger models. Yep. And efficient net. And there is no documentation for this size. Of the yeah, so there is no data on which resolution should I use. And Alright, I will just use the same resolution, I guess. And we have like 7 models here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. Oh yeah, and 7. And same here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what else do we have? Yes, so we have inception with net, just using 299, and we have inception v3, which is using also 299, mobile net is 224, mobile net v2 is also 224, mobile net v3 large, same. Which aspects of the meme is it? Just using the list of categories from the ImageNet dataset. I probably want to copy it, by the way. And ImageNet classes equals to this. Oops. Yeah, so basically here I have a list of classes that neural network is able to categorize, like envelope, digital clock, desk, crash helmet, and shit like that. And the idea is that you send some tricky images to the network and see how it will respond. So for example, this huge cheeseburger is being classified as a pineapple. Maybe I will also set up a bot for that, but as for now I don't have like free available hardware to run it. And mobile net v3 small is using the same resolution. Yeah, so the original meme is using the same model, res next, and I want to just use some random model each time I'm making a prediction. So it won't be fast, since each time I need to load. Oh, I forgot to add 3 small. So it won't be fast, since each time I need to reload the model, but it will probably will be more interesting, since each time I will be using like different model, and some of them are smarter than others. Oops. I've almost finished. It's probably a nice idea to import random and return random choice models. It's probably a nice idea to create a new script file and code like models and move this method there. Yep. So it returns what? It returns model name, resolution, and like model. Oops. GM Sony Vegas. Model name and resolution equals to models dot random model. Yep. If you could manually sort that image to the new category huge cheeseburger, would it learn to apply that to other images? Yeah, probably. Well, there is probably no, since there's just a single image. But if you have like few thousand images of huge cheeseburgers, then yeah, it will work. Alright. So it's not that easy, I guess. Probably instead of doing that, I should have well, whatever. But probably it would be much more interesting to use clip instead just neural networks. But maybe that's an idea for the next stream. Yeah. Alright, so at this point what we have is we load some random model, and also I need to call TensorFlow GPU memory growth. Yep. Yes, I need to set memory growth. Probably, not sure, but better to do that than not. Can it categorize based versus cringe memes? Yes, so based versus cringe memes is the thing that I have made more than a year ago. It's available at the growcheck.app. You could try it literally right now. Well, I guess I will be cooking thousands of huge cheeseburgers and taking pictures today, says Ripton. Yeah, well, do that, because, like, unironically, modern data science is limited by high quality data for training. So having, like, some high quality, some extra images of huge ass burgers would drive the science forward, unironically. All right, so I also need to reset graph, and I don't remember how to do that. I think I need to call this method. Right? And also these. So before loading model, I should reset the graph and clear session, just in case, because without that there could be some issues with loading new models, because by default there is a global session for TensorFlow eager runtime, and all the layers inside the neural network have their unique identifier, and while this identifier is unique for some particular network, two networks could have layers with the same identifier, and if we will try to load the second model without dropping the first one, we could well, we will get a collision and the model won't load. And also from ImageNet we should load classes. Yep. And probably it's better to name them in labels or label devs. Yep. And what I have to do now is just prets import to model oh so actually I was kinda incorrect. Because I return not the model but model function, so actually the model equals to calling model function. Only after that I could return all this stuff. Yep. And could it derive the class? Now, so I could try to add type hint. There will be like tf module, probably, and string and integer, right? I think tf module is the right class, and will type hint work now? I just told this it's the module, right? Oh, so right, and no. But let's just import first here, and the model is equal to, and model, oh shit. All right, let's try a type hint like that. But keras model, yeah, so maybe I oh yes, so probably it should be keras model, not module. Right? Yeah. Oh, type hint and stuff. All right. Oh shit, almost an hour has passed. Right, so now all I have to do is to call a prediction over the image array, and so the probability is equals to preds. Yeah, so this is np in the array max, and pred class is preds argmax, and pred class name is equal to label defs pred class, right? At this point, I think all I have to do is to call stText fstring and just model equals to model name, and then predicted class equals to pred class name, and probability equals to what's the right should be prop multiplied by 100, because we are gonna to show percents and point and two digits after the point and percent sign, and and also white space. Yep. And st image is in G. I think it could be working already. I'm not sure. We'll see. Yes, stop and rerun. And right, and let's just select the Grow RPG folder. Let's just select the test. So it's downloading the model for the first time, and we need to wait a bit. It is just a hobby for you, is it a practical exercise? Well, I'm making an application to post memes on Instagram. So I think there's no like ping. Oh yeah, sure. I forgot to expand dimensions. Array equals to np expand. Well, so back to the question whether it's a hobby or practical exercise. So I think it's neither of these two. So I'm making an app. So it's certainly not a practical exercise because this particular task is trivial for me, but it's also not really a hobby. Yeah, now I'm downloading like another model. That's certainly not a hobby because I'm already making very small profits from. Yeah, so now it's working. So I have ReasNet and Tiger Cat and probability, shit like that. And now let's try on another file, a burger. And now I'm trying a second model, and will it work? Will it work or not? Yeah, it's working. And pinwheel. What's the pinwheel? And all right, that's not saying that this is a pinwheel. Well, whatever. So this is not a practical exercise in a sense that I will make. I'm already making some profits from my social media, and ultimately I hope that I will make my efforts more or less like self-sufficient in terms of compensating the time I'm spending on them, which is the thing that I'm yet to achieve. Alright, so now it's working, and I need to download. I could open Twitter Explorer and check some. No, it's so if there's anyone in the chat, just or like in my Telegram, just DM me some image so I could test my model. I hope there's still anyone in here. And let's see, I could upload it to my personal GitHub account. I guess I could just create readme file, readme.md, and just requirements TensorFlow 2.5 streamlit 0.81 and pillow 8.2, I guess. How to run is just streamlit run main.py and now I need to create Git repo and I will add all of this stuff, including images probably. And I could also add a screenshot so it will be obvious what the thing is doing, and just paint, crop, and save as. So I forgot how to add images. Alright. Now it's working. All I need to do is to add example JPEG to Git and to make an initial commit, probably the first and the last one. Yep, and now I'm gonna create a new empty Git repo on another browser tab outside of my window. So GitHub. I can do it on Instagram. Yeah, alright, go ahead, send it to me. And here we have a black and white octopus picture that I probably also gonna just add to my meme classifier. And also files, and we have this too, and efficient net be 0 Maze Labyrinth. All right. Here's the efficiency. Here's how state of the art data science works. You're right. So I'm gonna log in into the GitHub and then publish. Publish it. Publish it on GitHub. So it's public. License is MIT. And all I need to do is to define remote. And I have pushed it, right? And so I just had a thought about yes. So here's my repo. Just github.com/chipgroepa/random classifier. I could drop the link here on the YouTube, and I will do the same on like my other social networks. Alright, so yeah, so this shit is available for free, and oh fuck, I have doxed myself, I guess. Ooh, not a good look. So I have signed commits. Shit. Alright, so those like 3 people who are watching will know my name since then. It's pretty funny. Know that it was a secret before. Alright. So I guess that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and probably next time I will be doing some gaming. No idea. And yeah, thanks for watching. See ya. Yeah, make sure to buy all of my NFTs, by the way, link in the description below. Yeah, so until next time, probably no idea when, but much sooner than compared like to my previous stream. Bye.